All by myself today. This whole trip all by myself. No one. Court is gone. And I'm just here. There's a crazy wreck or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah, full FedEx truck. Sorry guys, you guys are not getting your packages. Oh man. Alright guys, so let's get into this. I am solo on this never-ending adventure by myself. Court and the baby are at our house, and I am on my way from Texas to Oklahoma, and I am going to grab some of the stuff that we left there in the truck. I figured I would do something different as far as camping and like normally in the RV. What I want to do here is camp. Kind of just parked here, taking a little break. Had to get some fuel at my favorite place. Got a little burger and my drink of Buc-ee's. You can't beat Buc-ee's. It's like the greatest place on earth. Okay, we're showing about 5 hours to go. That puts us there right at 6:30. Should be plenty of time for me able to set up before the sun goes down. I don't know when the sun goes down there. Where we're at in Texas, it's like 9 or 10 o'clock, so it's super late. So I should have no problem. So I might actually pick up some of the stuff, put it in the bed, pack a little bit tonight, and pack tomorrow, or I might just do it all tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll find out when we get there. It is 7:11. The sun is supposed to go down around 9-ish. So we're about 20 minutes away from where I'm going to be camping at. I'm at Walmart right now. I completely forgot to get a lantern, and then also we're going to get some kind of dinner for tonight. I don't have a cooler because the name of this game is to keep the truck free because of all the stuff that I'm going to be picking up and taking down to the house. So I want to make sure I have enough room, and coolers are very big, very packed. So I'm gonna go in here, because of COVID, everybody's gonna be crazy with masks on. I'm just not gonna video it. I'll see you when we get to the campsite. After a super long day, I have finally arrived at this spot. Let's, just so you guys can see where I'm gonna be. I'm gonna park the tent about this area, and they have a like a fire pit burn area here. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that, probably grill some mallows on it a little bit later. I am on the family farm, so it's not out in the woods or anything totally crazy like that. But I did want to get the feel for a good old camping trip, you know, with the old tent. It's been a while since we've been. Big old RV. It's just not the same. You know, it's just not the same. So here we are. Time to set up the camp. So I have the camp behind me, fire, and then for tonight I have the truck right here. I'm gonna put the stove on it. This is just leftover stuff that we had. For this trip, I brought this. It's super skinny, so it doesn't take up much room, and I can still cook dinner with it. This actually is my newest camping accessory. It's called a thermocell, and it's for mosquitoes, but I got the backpacker one. They come usually with like little fuel tanks, and then you can get the burners. It's so too expensive, so I got this one, and you can just use any old butane, propane mix container. And this lasts 4 hours. Once the blue turns white, time to replace the pad, but it keeps the mosquitoes away. Gotta let it go for 10-15 minutes before it really starts to take root, but after that, it's pretty good. Here in Oklahoma, I'm getting a few bites so far, so I feel like it's time to start this puppy and get a fire going. I don't want the fire to be very big, so I'm gonna get rid of all this burnable stuff and make a little pile in the middle. There is water on site, so we're covered if a little fire gets out of hand. I don't know if you're a log cabin builder or a teepee for your fires. Both work, I think. I don't know which one's better, but I know what works best, and that's a butane torch. I don't consider it cheating. I consider it using your resources. All the wood out here is really wet. I think it gets really dewy in the morning time. Here we go. I'd say that's good. Let's see what I got from Walmart for food in the morning time. Got some biscuits. They're the garlic cheddar biscuits, and then I got some gravy for that. So biscuits and gravy in the morning, pretty good. For tonight, got some hamburger buns and some sloppy joe mix. We'll make some sloppy joes. And I also got this. I didn't have a light or anything. Totally forgot to get one, like a flashlight or something. We had a lantern, but Finley got a hold of it. So I've got this little guy. Oh, it doesn't work. You know what? I tried one in the store. I clicked the button and it worked. I was like, okay, they come with batteries. Let me see. Oh goodness. Oh, it has one of those removable things in there. Oh man. This will last for tonight then. Okay. So this is just a little LED light. And this will work hopefully for tonight. For the needs, it goes lighter, a little bit darker, red, and then off. This was like $3. And then I got a little something. Shout out to, oh, I'm bleeding. Look at my leg. I don't even know what I'm bleeding from. I don't feel it. Oh well. So actually, I haven't been tent camping probably over 2 years. Last time was with my wife, my brother-in-law, and myself. I think for like Memorial Weekend or something. I don't fully remember. So I got this with the pulley tab because I don't have a bottle opener. So really, dinner for tonight is simple. I was thinking about getting some extra. Oh no! It says sloppy joe sauce. Just add meat. I did not get meat. So tonight is just sloppy joe liquid. Put that in my pan. Looks like tomato sauce or something. That's okay. I can make dipping sauce. I think I was in too much of a rush at the store. Yeah, there's not much in it other than just liquid. Noted for next time, that's for sure. Noted for next time. Let that sit for a little bit, warm up. The blue tarp I had that I put down under that tent, I actually have it for all of the stuff in the bed of the truck. It's gonna go over it for the way back home. So that was really convenient. The ground is, I wouldn't say it's wet, it's moist. Nothing really to cook in it. Oh yeah, it's warm. It has good flavor though. It is great flavor. What a crazy adventure this is. Hey, it was a long day of driving. So I think my strategy is I'm just gonna take the bread and I'm just gonna dunk it in there. Oh, there goes the tent. I don't have any stakes, so it's just gonna kind of fly around before it before it flies away. Let me show you. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's bring it back here. Usually, once you have, here we go. There we go, bright again. Usually once you have, you know, your pillow and sleeping bag and everything in there, the tent doesn't blow away, but I do not have those things. What I do have, awesome little Broncos blanket and a pillow. The Broncos blanket's pretty small. Smaller than I don't know, a full size. It's probably like a twin size. I'm gonna grab some stuff from the truck to throw in there to kind of keep it level down. I don't want this video to become like a how to camp or here's how you make mistakes or whatever. This is more of just a spur of the moment thing for me. Doing what I love to do. And since I had 2 days of full travel away from the wife and kid, I felt like what better way than to spend in nature. I was just mixed. No meat. Nothing like that. But the bread fills me up. If you like this type of video, or would like to see more of like old school camping like this with a tent and then maybe some of the gadgets and stuff that I would use to do this, I would definitely make more videos like this. I know a lot of them are doing like, a lot of videos that I've seen are like stealth camping. And I think that's kind of cool, a little bit of an edge there. Not too shabby. Fire's going good. This is nice, guys. This is real nice. It's about it's like low 80s right now. It's supposed to get in the high 70s tonight, so perfect temperature for doing this kind of thing. The mosquitoes aren't out too crazy bad. I think that's due to the thermocell. Time for a little something. Lagunitas. Wherever you're watching, hope you're having a good time. Alright guys, I think that's about it for me. It's getting close to 9 o'clock. Gonna hang out till the sun goes down and sleep time for me. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Good morning, everybody. The wind last night got a little crazy for the tent, so I had to break it down. And then ran for shelter into the truck. I don't know if you can see, it's raining actually right now. I don't know if it's gonna work. But kind of just hunkered down here in the truck until it's not really like raining, it's more of like a sprinkle. So I'm gonna, it didn't say it was gonna do this in the forecast, so I'm kind of just waiting for it to stop and then kind of set up for breakfast. Maybe, I don't know, it's raining, it's pretty windy, so I'm not sure. just, I don't know. So it's been about an hour. Kind of just been hunkered down. It's still sprinkling and it's still really windy. I think at this point I'm going to scrub making breakfast. And I'm just gonna go, I don't want the tent to be like wet when I roll it up, so I think I'm just gonna, God, I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna roll it up as best I can right now and just get everything into the truck and then probably drive to town and get some breakfast. This has been a total flop, but a fun experience, so that's kind of cool. Alright, I am off. We're cruising. I think I'm gonna stop at Taco Bell. But take a little shout out sneak peek. There is Finley's tree all lined up with the others. I would say that it is doing just fine.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Can I get a sausage biscuit, or just a number 4?
A number 4?
Yes,
What
please.
drink?
A coffee.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay.
That is it. My trip is over. Headed back home now. Truck is full of all of our stuff. The back seat's super full. And then also the passenger side is too. There's no room to spare. So after this load, we're gonna have all of our stuff in one spot inside the house. I'm super excited to have it. We'll see you guys in the next episode or in the next video.